Hello students, Veena Dogra here and I am going to teach science of class 4th. Our first chapter is food and nutrition. Students, we eat food daily as per our body requirement. This food gives us energy to do many things. Food is one of our basic need of life. If it provides the materials needed for growth and energy required for all human activities. For the food we eat can be grouped into four major groups based on the nutrients present in time. The first is energy giving foods. Foods that provide energy to the body. They are carbohydrates and fats. Sources of carbohydrates are rice, grapes, and potatoes. Those people who do physical work need a lot of carbohydrates. Fats. This gives us more energy than the carbohydrates. The sources of fats are oil, butter, nuts. We must not have too much fat in our diet as it may result in obesity. Second, food that help in growth and repair of the body. Proteins are body building foods. Proteins, these gives you energy. They also help in developing our body. They are the sources of proteins are meat, egg, fish, chicken, milk, etc. Number third, food that help us to stay healthy and strong. Vitamins and minerals are called protective foods. They keep us healthy by giving our body strength to fight disease. The sources of vitamins are orange, egg, and milk. Minerals. Minerals help in building our teeth, bones, blood, etc. The sources of minerals are fruits, vegetables, and milk. We get minerals from vegetables, etc. Number fourth, food that are not nutrients but are essential for the body to work properly. Water. Most of our body is made up of water. We lose water when we sweat, pass urine, and even when we breathe out. It forms a part of our blood and also of the digestive juices. Therefore, we need to drink more than 6 glasses of water every day. Roughage. Roughage. It is the it is the fiber present in fruits and vegetables. Roughage has no nutritive value but help in retaining the water in the food eaten and also help the body to get rid of wastage. Balanced diet. The food you eat is called your diet. A diet that contains right amount of nutrients is called balanced diet. We cannot use the food as they are. The nutrients in our food are broken down into a simpler form in your body. This is called digestion. Digestion starts in the mouth. Your teeth grind the food you eat into a paste. The tongue helps in mixing the food with the saliva. This food passes through a long tube to stomach. Stomach is like a muscular bag. It can store food for several hours. The digestive juices in the stomach broken down the proteins. Then food goes into the small intestine where the food is mixed with more digestive juices. The digested food is absorbed by the tiny blood vessels. These vessels carry the food to all parts of our body. Not all food is digested. The waste or undigested particles moves to large intestine and then undigested food is thrown out of body through the anus. Things to keep in mind: eat proper meal at the correct time, chew your food well, eat in a clean place, do not eat snacks between meals. Cooking and preserving food. We eat raw as well as cooked food. Fruit and some vegetables are eaten raw. They must be washed well before eating in order to remove dust from them. Food is valuable. It should neither be wasted nor spoiled. Cooked or uncooked food can be stored to be used later. This kind of store food is called food preservation. Four ways of preserving food are by canning, cold storage, salting, dehydration. Now we have complete our chapter. Let's start our exercise. Tick the correct options. So section A. Calcium is an example of a. The three options are there: mineral, vitamins, and proteins. The right answer is mineral. Number two, which of the following is a good sources of vitamin C? Lemon. Roughage are needed by our body to. The correct answer is properly digest the food. Number four, saliva contains. The right answer is enzyme. 5. Bile is made in. The correct answer is the liver. Number 6. The food pipe connects the mouth to. The correct answer is the stomach. Now let's start question answers. Question number 1. Why is food essential for our body? Answer: food is essential for energy growth and repair our tissues and make to keep the body healthy and strong. Question number 2. Why are carbohydrates and fats called energy giving foods? The answer: carbohydrates and fats provide energy to the body. Question number 3. Why are vitamins and minerals called protective foods? Answer: vitamins and minerals called protective food because they maintain our health and protect us from disease. Question number 4. Why is water important for us? Answer: water helps in regulating the body temperature as well as for digestion. Question number 5. Explain the digestive system. The digestive system is kind of process in which complex food substance are broken down into simple substance and being absorbed by body. Question number 6. What do you mean food preservation? List 4 ways of preserving food. The method of protective and keeping the food for longer time is called food preservation. 4 ways of preserving food are by canning, cold storage, salting, dehydration. Now, section B. Write the scientific terms of our following. Essential substance present in food. The answer is nutrients. Number 2. Fiber present in fruits and vegetables. Roughage. Number 4. Person who plans special meals and diets for athletes and patients in hospital. Dietitian. Special digestive juices made in the liver. Bile. Removing water from some items. Dehydration. Match the following. Large intestine. Large intestine, water is absorbed. Stomach, protein are digested. Anus, waste go out of the body. Mouth, teeth grind food. Small intestine, fats are digested. Saliva makes bile. Makes, sorry, Saliva makes food most easy to swallow. Liver makes bile. Fill in the blank. Number one, cooking makes the food softer, tender, and easy to digest. Number two, sometimes overcooking destroys the vitamins in the food. Microbes are found in air, water, soil, and food. 4. The muscular bag in the digestive system is the stomach. Number 5. Saliva released from the salivary glands helps in the digestion of starch. D. True false. Salting help to preserve the food. This is true. Number 2. Some bacteria change the dead matter into useful substance and make the soil fertile. It's true. Number 3. Butter has protein. False. We should eat in between meals in order to keep ourselves fit. False. 5. Meat, milk, and egg are rich in proteins. True. Now we have complete our chapter and exercise. The students, all of you learn this exercise and question answers. Thank you.